everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. So today, or I guess I should say this week, I am back with a super exciting video. I'm gonna be doing a week in my life. I genuinely cannot remember the last time I did a week in my life. I've actually filmed some of these and then I just never edit them because it's so much footage and I feel like it's just me doing boring kind of everyday things. I told myself I'm gonna film one and I'm gonna edit it and I'm gonna post it. I love watching week in my life videos, and I think I did get some requests to do one when I posted the last time on Instagram and asked what videos you'd like to see. So I'm going to actually commit to editing and posting this and not just filming it. I'm not off to a super great start because today is Tuesday and I forgot to vlog yesterday. So we're just gonna do this Tuesday through Friday, or maybe even Tuesday through Saturday, because I do have some fun plans on Saturday. Not really plans, but like I have like a secret project that I'm working on Saturday, and I was gonna like vlog the behind the scenes. I don't know if you guys will know about it already or not by the time this video goes out. Today's Tuesday. I am just kind of working on some videos today. I have a video I need to edit, like completely edit from start to finish, upload, links, description, thumbnail. I need to edit that. That video is not going up till later in the week, so I have time, but I need to like basically edit a video every day this week, so I can't fall behind. I gotta get that done. And then I'm also going to film a video today. I'm filming a kind of like fall decorating video, like decorating my apartment for fall, and I'm gonna go to Target and Home Goods and kind of look at their fall decorations and decorate my apartment with the decorations that I already have as well. That is what I'm about to do, but I'm already filming that as like a separate video, so I'll just show you a couple little clips, and if you want to see more, then check out that video. So that's what I'm gonna work on now, and then I'm gonna get a pumpkin spice. I'm so excited. I've been waiting months for this. This is like my favorite day of the year when the pumpkin spice comes out. I'm gonna go get my first pumpkin spice of the season and decorate for fall. I'm just feeling all the fall vibes today. Once I'm done with that, I'm just going to edit for the rest of the afternoon and hopefully have a productive Tuesday. It's kind of like a Monday feeling Tuesday. At some point in the week, I think I'm gonna go to ikea and check out their fall home decor collection so I can vlog that. I hope I remember to vlog every day and I actually post this, but I'm just gonna try to kind of get a few like little clips each day. If you guys enjoy, definitely thumbs up and comment below if you'd like to see more of these on my channel. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, turn on the notification bell, follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Let's just go ahead and get into the week in my life. So first things first, I need to get my fall decorations out. They are currently in my garage, so if you guys haven't seen my apartment tour, I have like an actual attached garage to my apartment unit, so I store all of my stuff in there. My lease isn't up till January, but I have to let them know, I think in October, if I am renewing it. I think that's what it is. I am going to go apartment hunting in the next week or so and just kind of see what my other options are before I renew my lease. I'm like 80% sure I'm probably going to renew my lease just because I finally have got everything kind of finished here, and I love the attached garage. I love pretty much everything about this apartment. I can't think of one complaint. I mean, there actually is one thing. I would like a 2-bedroom. It would be nice to have kind of a second room to have like an office space, filming, kind of like a cloffice. Kind of do want to see what my other options are before renewing my lease, so I think I am gonna go apartment hunting and I will definitely vlog it. I think I'm gonna look downtown just for fun. I think I am gonna be touring some apartments soon. I got my pumpkin spice. Obviously I got an ice one. It's like literally a million degrees outside. First sip. It's so good. I forgot what a pumpkin spice tastes like. It's so good. Literally tastes like fall. It's so good. This is ridiculous. Oh, it's so good. So it is quite a bit later. I've been vlogging for the other video, the fall decorating video, pretty much all day. Decorating for fall and running some errands, picking up some new fall decorations. So I've been vlogging for that video all day pretty much. So definitely check out that video. I will link it here so you can see the fall decorating. But now I'm pretty much done with that video, so I can focus on other things. So I'm just checking my emails, getting caught up, because honestly I haven't really checked it all day. I'm just looking at my to-do list for the day and kind of planning out my day for tomorrow since it's already the end of the day. I feel like I've been pretty productive today. I've done a lot of like cleaning and stuff, like got all my laundry done and put away, which is kind of something I've been trying to finish up for the last couple days. I don't know, I feel like my apartment's just finally clean, and I got my fall decorations done, and I also filmed that video. I don't know, I guess that's really all I've done today. I feel like that's good. So there was a video I needed to completely edit, and I haven't really started it, but like I said, it's not due till the end of the week, so I just need to work some time into the week to finish that. I think I'm just gonna wash my makeup brushes and then kind of get started on the video that I was gonna work on today. I might just make the thumbnail and kind of do like all the links and everything, and that way I just have to worry about editing and everything else is done. I just do that while I watch Manifest tonight. That's pretty much everything for today, I feel like, but tomorrow's gonna be a fun day because I think I'm gonna go to Ikea. It's the next day, it is Wednesday, and I'm just running a few errands today. I'll have to edit that video that I was talking about yesterday to get ready with me, and I think it's gonna be up before this video, so I will link it here if you guys wanna check it out. It's my everyday kind of routine for my makeup and hair. I'm gonna edit that when I get back, so I am gonna get something done today. Running a few errands, I'm going to Ikea and just a bunch of random places. Like I actually went to the mall in Abercrombie, got some really cute jeans at Ikea, and I haven't had lunch, and I'm actually running some errands with my mom, so I think we are going to have some lunch at Ikea. The last time we were here, the cafeteria food court thing at Ikea was open, and it actually smelled really good. We've never eaten here before, and everyone always talks about the meatballs. You guys know my Ikea obsession. I feel like my Ikea obsession isn't complete without actually trying the meatballs. Today I'm finally gonna try the Ikea meatballs and have lunch here. The seating is like really cute. It's like very like open with like a really nice view and lots of windows. My mom actually needs a desk, so I'm gonna help her pick one out. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And then I think I'm just gonna run a few other errands. I need to stop at this plant store and get a pot for my fiddle fig. It's kind of like my plans for today. So I just had my Ikea lunch. I was really excited to try this, but honestly, I think the meatballs are a little overhyped, and I would probably rate this a, I don't want to be mean, 3 out of 10 would probably be generous. Let's try this dessert. That is good. Dessert is like a solid 10. She decided on the Alex desk. That's one I have. I absolutely love it. So it's Thursday. I totally forgot to vlog this morning. This morning I've just been doing some cleaning and just kind of getting some stuff done. I finished filming some clips for my fall decorating video and made a thumbnail. I've just been kind of sending some emails and planning some stuff out. So I feel like I've been pretty productive this morning. Now I'm just going to either edit or film a video. I'm trying to decide. I think I do have enough time to film the video I was gonna film. Hey everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a haul of everything I bought during this month. It is a little bit later. I've just gotten a coffee and I am working on editing a video. I'm just editing this get ready with me that I filmed quite a while ago. I'm looking at the background and I feel like I've changed quite a few things in the background of my room since I filmed this. My goal is to finish this video before dinner time, get it pre-uploaded for tomorrow or maybe even Sunday, kind of get this all done. I made the thumbnail and did all the links and kind of all of that stuff the other day while I was watching Manifest. I did end up getting that done, so I do only have to edit it. Everything else is pretty much done. I'm just going to work on editing this video, and I don't even know, I might just see you guys tomorrow because I'm probably just gonna be working on all of that the rest of the night, editing this. So it is Friday, and today I am just going to be super productive. So I woke up today and I actually had a really bad headache. I woke up with a really bad headache the last few days, but today it was like even worse. So I've kind of had a late start to the day and I have a lot of stuff to get done. I am just trying to get straight into everything and be productive and kind of make up for the late start, I guess. This morning I finished up the video I was working on. Basically all week I've been working on it. The get ready with me. Now I'm just writing out my to-do list for the day so I can stay on track. I just planned out my day and kind of just like a rough schedule for my day. It just really helps me to have a schedule and kind of know how much time I have to do, and it also helps me stay on track if I set a timer. So if I know, like for example, the next thing I'm gonna do is just kind of make my bed, pick up my room, water my plants. In order to stay on schedule for the day, I have to do all of that in like 15 minutes. Just gonna set a timer for like 10 minutes, so when it goes off I know I need to be like almost done, and it'll just kind of help me stay on track. So setting kind of like progress timers and stuff as well will really help you stay on track and just kind of like time blocking your day. So I love this little to-do list. It's perfect for that. I am just going to do like a quick clean of my apartment. That way I can kind of start off my day with everything being picked up. It is a little bit later. I've got my pumpkin spice. I was just filming some B-roll for the video I filmed yesterday. So basically like the little clips that you see within the haul. It always takes longer than I expect. The next thing on my list is to pack, because I am going to visit my sister this weekend. Once again, I feel like every time, oh my gosh, what is going on with this lighting? Like every time I'm vlogging, I'm just happen to be going out of town to visit my sister. I've only visited her a couple times. Both times I visited her, I just happen to be vlogging. I've mentioned it several times throughout this vlog, but basically I am going to work on a secret project this weekend, and she's going to help me take pictures for it. She's going to be in some of the pictures as well, so we are going to do like a little photo shoot this weekend. I'm really excited, but this is not the video where I'm going to announce it, because I'm not going to announce it until it's like ready. I'm just going to be packing for this weekend. Like I said, I'm just going to be going and taking pictures pretty much like a lot of the day Saturday, and then Sunday we're just gonna have fun and like go out to eat. She said something about this nature thing. So it's a little bit later. I'm all packed. Forgot to show everything kind of like out. Got that sneak peek. Didn't really show it because I actually showed myself packing in my last vlog, and I posted a pack with me vlog, so I didn't want it to be like too redundant. So now I'm just working on importing all of the footage for the haul that I filmed yesterday. It's on a couple different SD cards, so I'm just kind of looking through those, working on the thumbnail as well. I do have a couple emails. I'm gonna reply to those really fast, then try to make some progress on this haul. Other than editing the video, which I'm going to start doing and just kind of do throughout the night, got almost everything on my to-do list done. I think that is probably it for this video, this week in my life. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching. Hopefully it wasn't boring. We'll see if I actually upload it. Like thumbs up if you'd like to see more week in my life on my channel, and if you have any like suggestions on how to make this more interesting or anything like that, definitely let me know in the comments below, or let me know if you like the style of this, or if you stayed until this point. Like, Wow. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.